Good morning, young Groms. It is a beautiful day today. We have a nice waist-high groundswell. I am going to take out the new wave storm and get a few waves before I have to push off and leave on a sailing trip across Long Island.
Should we pretend that it's the end? Are you my curse? Are you my friend? And if we got hitched to the end of the road, will you eat it?
Guys, first session in the book. I don't know how much I got on film because I was just using the Steadicam, but I'm gonna try and find another spot before we set sail later this morning.
Will you eat it to carry my load? I'm getting it back with that terrible feeling. My vision is cracked, but it looks like it's healing. I'm getting it back like it's 4 in the morning when the sun only shines. It's been given a warning. I'm getting it back with the rest of the league. Yeah, I'm keeping the rabbit, the bat, and the reindeer. I'm getting it out, whatever I gotta keep in. I'm telling the truth and it don't when we pretend. Should we pretend? Should we pretend?
All right, guys, I just got a few glassy waves at the last spot. Now we're gonna head to the boat and set sail. All right, young Groms, we just pulled up to the boat and I'm gonna step aboard. I got my 8-foot junior stand-up paddleboard right there in case we see some waves along the way. We're not even like 5 minutes out of the harbor yet and it looks like we might have some bad weather behind me here, but it's okay. We've seen worse and we've been through worse, so we'll be ready no matter what is thrown at us.
I know you felt it when I let you go. Told you you weren't mine, but you were always on my mind. Cigarettes and wine, every kiss was on my lips, babe. You know that you were missing when we finally knew we gonna reconcile. You know me with lights on, with lights on, with lights on, with lights on, with lights on. And when I crawled into your bed, felt just like fire falling through the night. When it comes, it brings it all to life. Till when it comes, sets it all alive. You know
I'm a little warm, so I think it's time to take a dip and cool off.
Hey, come on! With lights on, with lights on. Darling, with the lights on. Darling, with the lights on.
Hey guys, we were having fun surfing behind the boat and we lost the board, and then unfortunately the rope got wrapped around the propeller, the prop. So now I'm gonna go down, check it out, see what it looks like. We might have to cut it loose. We're not sure what we have to do. Yeah, I got some of it. I actually got some of it off.
Oh,
It
how
came
bad?
off like just like flake,
How bad is it?
flaked right off. It's not that bad.
Well,
I just cut myself a bit on the prop. See the bottom paint?
oh yeah, the bottom paint will rub right off on you.
Yeah, that was an adventure. I've
How
never
is
been under.
it?
I've
How
never
is
been
it?
under the. Never been under the boat before, but it's very clear cut. It's not like you're doing a GI procedure and you don't know where you are. You don't know how long this thing is, but it's right under there, so it's actually not that bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go back down and get the rest off.
Very good. Do you want a weight belt or something to keep you down, or?
No, I'm negative buoyant on my muscle.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's right. God, a lot of us aren't.
I kind of want to take a break for a second.
Catch your breath.
I was so scared, to be honest. I was so scared. But once I got there, I could see, and I was just like, oh, it's right there. And I just started like unraveling it.
Purpose overcomes fear, kind of thing.
Yeah, and then like, what do you call it? I got like maybe a foot off or so, like
Yeah.
2 feet off, unraveled.
Right.
And then the rope broke. So
Oh.
I couldn't keep going, like it snapped.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Okay.
But
So we have this thunderstorm headed our way. I don't know if you can see it, but thunderstorm coming. So we're gonna avoid that. Oh wait, Lucas, what's that right there?
that's the
can
that's the stuff I got off.
Can you get that so we don't pollute?
Can we go back and get it?
But no, just okay. Thanks. Just throw it up. And then here's a little trick I like to do. Look at this. See this? This gives you something to hold on to. You just now you got something you can hold on to when you're out there. It's nice holding on to that thing. Did you get it?
Got some more off of it.
Oh, good.
Just need a break.
Okay. You got the blue in your hair to prove your manliness. What?
I might need your help.
Really? Okay. What's it like under there?
Well, so it's wrapped around like maybe 15 times.
Oh, okay.
And I can get like in my breath,
Right. You
I
get a
can
few
get
under.
I can get about 4 or 5. Sorry.
Okay.
I can get about 4 or 5 unwrapped. But then I have to bring the whole rope around. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
yeah.
Like I can get it loose, but then I gotta.
You can actually turn the prop if you want. But okay.
But yeah,
So
so
how many-
back to.
Yeah, you got a
I
splotch
kind
on
of
your
what
back,
I
bathing
do
suit,
is
hair.
I grab the rudder.
Hold on. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
I grab the rudder and then I swim forward
Right.
and wedge myself, so I don't have to
Yes.
like. So I got like some strength. I
Yep.
wedge myself
Yeah.
underneath the bottom of the boat and
Right.
start working.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's keep going though.
All right. I think I. Did you get it?
No.
Did you get progress? Did you get it?
No.
Seems very controlled.
We got closer though.
Did you get any progress?
Yeah. No,
How many more dives?
It's stuck now. We need a knife.
Really?
Yeah. All right, guys. I gave it about 5 or 6 attempts, and I still can't get it off. We made some progress, but I think we're at a point where it's just caught, like it's snagged. It's not even like a wrap thing, it's just stuck. So my dad, who is the best diver I know, can hold his breath up to 3 minutes, is gonna jump in, and I think he's gonna be able to get it on his first try.
I don't know, you're only as good as this your last dive, or your, right? So
That's really true, but one time we were in Block Island and we dropped our sunglasses, and he was like, all right, Lucas, you and Danny go look first. So Danny and I were swimming around, and Joey was there looking for them, and we couldn't find him, but my dad jumps in, about 15 feet of water, finds him right away. So I have a lot of confidence in him. Best of luck, Dad. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my dad is underwater, so I'm gonna give you a little story about him right now. We used to drop him off spearfishing, or sometimes I would paddle my surfboard out like 100 yards offshore, and he would hold on to the fin, and just to make sure I could get him out there so he didn't lose his breath, so he's nice and relaxed. And I'd be sitting out there in a surfboard, like almost a quarter mile out, and I'd be waiting for him while he was underwater, and I'd be like so scared he left.
okay.
What's your synopsis?
It's gonna have like three little wraps left. Got almost all.
Nice.
You wanna finish it? I mean, it's like literally ready to finish.
Yeah. You wanna make me the hero?
You are the hero.
All right, we're both the heroes.
Here we go. Lucas Hildreth about to untangle a prop a line from the prop. We're watching thunderstorms go by, so we really want to be able to outrun them. Oh, there he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Hey!
Let's go! We got it.
Let's see the end of the rope. Wow, look at that, really got chewed up.
I was bugging because I was so close, but then I couldn't get the last little bit around. I was like, I'm getting it here. I was running out of air, but we got it.
That's so awesome.
It was awesome.
Oh, sure. Did you work, did you do the upside down technique, or how?
No, I stayed with my basic back to the boat.
Okay.
But much credit to my dad, because he made a lot of progress.
I made a lot of progress.
He just left me like a little bit.
I know.
It was still kind of stuck though. It was still
I couldn't, I didn't have it anymore.
Yeah.
And I did the upside down. You can see I was on my knees.
Yeah.
Upside down technique where I was just, on my knees working on it. Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, we got the rope back,
Nice.
so we can do some more surfing. Maybe not today. Got a thunderstorm coming in.
It's gonna pass
here.
us over there. Yeah. Okay.
A lot of elements happening, but we made it. We did it successfully.
Awesome. Look at
Just a little recap. We tried about maybe 6 or 7 times to get the propeller undone. My dad did the 6th time, and I think he made a lot of progress. And then I went in. There's still a little bit that needed to be done. There was about 3 wraps I unraveled, and then I got the rope out. We were super excited, definitely a team effort. And we were rushed because behind us is this like ugly looking thunderstorm. So we're running into Eaton's Neck right now. You can see the Coast Guard stations over here somewhere. So, all in all, a success so far. We got the propeller out, no one's been injured, besides a little blue paint, but that's all right, that comes with the job. And yeah, we're just gonna wait out the storm for a little bit.
Oh, darling, with the lights on. Oh, darling, with the lights on. Oh, darling, with the lights on. Oh, darling, with the lights on.
So there's the storm but the little harbor we just pulled into is beautiful. Some nice trees behind us. and we heard it can get really crowded in here, but we have it all to ourselves right now. It's pretty nice.
Rain.
A little bit of weather came in and we ducked into Eaton's Neck, and we're kind of just riding out the storm, eating some food, having lunch. We got the rope stuck around the propeller, but that actually ended up turning into like a pretty fun activity. It was a little stressful. The first 5 times I was underwater, I'm like, I'm making no progress. There's so much more to go, but we got it out in the end. I'm chilling here. We still need to do a little bit of spring cleaning, but I have one of the bedrooms right here next to me, and I'll give you guys a full tour probably later on. But yeah, it's been a really fun day so far, and we still have to go from Eaton's Neck to Port Jefferson. So we're just gonna wait till the weather passes, and then we'll be back on to sailing and get back out there. Alright guys, so the weather cleared up. I was down below, my dad was taking a shift driving. I was just doing some editing and working on today's vlog. Right behind me we have a beautiful sunset going down, and it was a crazy day, action-packed. We surfed this morning, got 2 sessions in. We surfed behind the boat, we packed up the boat, and we even got the rope off. Of the propeller. It's 8 o'clock at night and it's still really sunny out, but it's been such a full day that we're coming into harbor right now. And as soon as we get into the harbor, I'm probably just gonna pass out because it's been a lot of fun today. I don't know what that is, a lobster pot that just went by. But yeah, it was an awesome fun today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end the vlog or keep going, but it was a ton of fun, and we will see you tomorrow. We're hoping to sail tomorrow. We're hoping to make it to Montauk, and we might even surf. So definitely gonna be an action-packed day. Make sure to subscribe because we got some awesome content coming at you.